In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively interact with the Monad testnet and potentially set yourself up for future opportunities. To begin, you'll want to first unlock your MetaMask, ensuring that you are switched over to the Ethereum mainnet. This is a crucial step, as it sets the foundation for connecting with Monad's platform seamlessly. Once your MetaMask is ready to go, head over to the official Monad testnet hub. You can find this at https testnet monad.xyz. This website will serve as your central point of interaction with everything Monad testnet related, so be sure to familiarize yourself with its layout. Here, you'll need to connect your wallet. Simply click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts. This step is essential as it links your crypto wallet to the testnet, enabling you to begin your interactions with ease. Next up, you have the opportunity to use the testnet faucet. This is a fantastic tool provided on the page that allows you to claim some free MON tokens. Think of it as play money to help you explore and engage with the various functionalities on the Monad testnet. These tokens will enable you to start experimenting with the different decentralized applications, or dApps, available on the platform. Whether you're interested in minting NFTs, swapping tokens, or even playing blockchain-based games, these activities offer you valuable practical experience with the ecosystem. Now, apart from interacting with the dApps, consider taking your involvement a step further by joining Monad's official Discord community. Engaging here not only keeps you informed about the latest updates and developments, but also enables you to earn roles within the community. Participation in these activities might just increase your eligibility for future rewards or airdrops. While there's no guarantee of an airdrop at this point, being an early and active participant will certainly put you in a good position if any such opportunities arise down the line. As you explore these options, always exercise caution. Be wary of any suspicious links you might encounter. It's best to stick to official channels, which include testnet monad.xyz, or Monad's official Discord and social media accounts. This diligence helps safeguard your activities and ensures that you're always receiving accurate information from trusted sources. By following these steps, you're not only immersing yourself in an innovative blockchain environment, but also setting the stage for new and exciting possibilities in the crypto space. Happy exploring, and remember to stay safe and informed as you embark on this journey with Monad.